In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text, images, and video to your Google site, and how to embed your presentations, your creations into the site. Once you have logged in, you select the site corresponding to your course. In this case, I'm going to use Teams 3 as an example. You click on it and you wait for the editor to load. Well, this is the header. You're not going to edit this because this is the name of your site. So you are going to work down here. For example, you can choose different layouts so that you can include 2 images, 3 images, and then some text, only 1 image and text. In this case, I would like to choose this one, so I click here, and this will allow me to upload a photo from my computer. This one will allow me several possibilities to do several things. I can copy the address of an image that I find on the internet. Example this way. I would like to find, I don't know, a dog. So I'm going to choose this one. I right click here and I copy the image address, copiar dirección de imagen or image address or URL, and I go to the site, I paste it here, I select it and click on this button, and here you have the image, right? I'm going to add a title here, my dog, for example, and here I can add some text. This is Billy, my dog, alright? And this is what you will be able to see. On this side you follow the same instructions. Now, imagine you do not like all this section, so you click on this bin and you delete the whole section, all the elements here. So let me show you what happens, and that's it, it's disappeared. Another way in which you can insert text, images, etc. is by clicking on the buttons here on the right. You can click here and type in some text. Alright, if you click here, you're going to add an image. Again, you can upload it from your computer, or you can select it by URL. You can click on search and search a house, for example, on the internet. I like this one, so I click on it and then I click on select, and the house will appear here. If I wanted to include a video, for example, I would first click outside the section or the box, and I would scroll down till I get to YouTube. I click here, and I have 2 possibilities. I can search for the video that I would like to include, for example, Coldplay Fix You. Here it is, I click on it, I click on select, and the video appears here. Or I can go to YouTube search for something, songs for kids, for example, and I find this one, I open it, I copy the address, I go back to the site, I click on YouTube, and I paste the address here. Nice song. So I paste the address here, I copy it from here by right-clicking on it, I paste it here, I click on it and then on select, and the video appears here. Let's imagine I do not like this video in particular, the one that I have just added. I can always click on this arrow to go backwards, and so that the items that I don't like disappear. Okay. Another possibility, if you want to add, for example, images or text, is to click here, double click here. Let me show you again. I double click here, and so I obtain the same buttons. Images, I can upload a file from my computer, or text. And look at this icon here which says embed. It appears on this wheel and it also appears here. If I click on embed and then embed code, I can embed or insert my presentations in the site. Let me show you. Here I have a presentation that my students have created and I want to insert it in the site. So I click the embed code, remember this icon here, I click on it, it's a very long code full of symbols. I click on copy, I go back to the site, remember embed code, this symbol, and I right click on it and paste it. Then I click on next, I wait for this to load, and then on insert. Let's see what happens. You see, my student's presentation is here. I can make it bigger if I want. Let's wait. You see? Once you have inserted or included everything you wanted to include, you click on Publish.